Okay, so now we have added this 0 watt bulb to our circuit, and we'll note down the changes. So as you can see, this will actually refresh in every 10 seconds since we are demonstrating live data. So we wait. Yeah, so we see the power is 0 watt because this is a 0 watt bulb. Now coming to our super base. So we are getting live readings over here. We will consider the latest reading that we receive, which is 30, 30, 230.
Yes.
Yeah, so this reading, and we can verify that we are receiving this exact reading over here live. We'll now be switching the 0 watt bulb
to 60 watt.
to 60 watt bulb. So this will take time to, okay. Yeah, so for, as you can see, the power is now to 63.4 watts because we have switched to the 60 watt bulb. Coming again to the super base. Yeah, so this is the latest reading, as you can see, and we can verify it over here that we are getting the same exact reading. We'll now be switching to the 100 watt bulb over here.
The system reboots as soon as the bulb changes. So you can see the end of loop and critical drop detected. The system is rebooting. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
This is all real time.
Going to the database. You can see the readings are getting updated.
So now we have,
101.4 as we have connected the 100 watt bulbs.
and we verify over here. We have got the updated readings.